What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I decided to give game uploads a little bit of a break, and I thought I would do a real quick unboxing of my new iPhone 8. Okay, so before we get into the actual unboxing, we'll take a little look around the box. Of course, you got your iPhone and your Apple logo, and here's the iPhone itself, which, if you can't tell, this is the gold version. And then if you turn around over here on the back, you'll see that I've got the 64 gigabyte model iPhone 8. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it here. Should be able to just pull this tab here, and it should just open right up. Get the plastic out of the way. Try to get into this box. And it looks like we'll have a little bit of probably the paperwork, I assume, stickers and whatnot. Yeah, there they are. Everybody knows that. But here's the actual iPhone itself. And we got it right here. Here's the back. That's the iPhone 8. And of course, in the box, we get the usual. We get our power brick 5-watt adapter, which is standard, and we get our ear pods with lightning connector, because with the iPhone 8 the old headphone jack is gone. No more headphone jack for the iPhone 8. And then we also get our standard charging cable, the lightning connector, and that is pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was short and sweet, which most iPhone unboxings are short and sweet. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out of here.